Want to redeem a Roblox gift card? Roblox gift cards let you add credit to your Roblox account or redeem Robux and other eligible benefits, depending on the type of gift card you have. In this guide, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card safely and correctly in 2026. Let's get started. First, visit the official Roblox website and sign in to the account where you want to redeem the gift card. Double-check that you're using the correct account before continuing. Next, open the gift cards or redeem section from the Roblox website. This is the official page where you can redeem both physical and digital Roblox gift cards. Carefully scratch off the protective layer if you're using a physical gift card, then enter the redemption code exactly as it appears. If you received a digital gift card, copy and paste the code into the redemption field to avoid typing errors. Now click the Redeem button and wait for Roblox to verify the code. If the code is valid, the available credit or Robux associated with the card will be added to your account according to the gift card's terms. Finally, return to your account and check your available Robux or Roblox credit to confirm the redemption was successful. If a code doesn't work, double-check for typing mistakes and make sure it hasn't already been redeemed. And that's how to redeem Roblox gift cards. By redeeming your gift cards through the official Roblox website, you can safely add credit or Robux to your account and enjoy more content across the platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.